Hey guys, this is Zeus Cubing here, and today I'm gonna teach you the third layer of the Rubik's Cube. I would recommend you to be prepared with somewhere to write down the algorithms because this layer in total consists of 6 algorithms. Don't worry, it'll be easy to remember. So let's begin.
Nice.
So the first case for the yellow cross is the L case. So basically we have to hold it in the form of a L or a hook on the top left side and do this algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. So you can see a yellow cross is made on the top. The second case for the third layer is the line case. So basically we have to hold the line horizontally and perform this algorithm. F prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F. So as you can see, the yellow cross is made on the top. This is the second algorithm.
Oh my god! Wow!
So the third case is known as the dot case. In this you'll have to perform 2 algorithms. So there's no special algorithm for this. So you start by doing F, U, R, U, prime, R prime, F prime. So by doing this algorithm you get the line case and then you do the line algorithm. F prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F prime, and the cross is made. I will explain again. So here you have the dot case. So you do the hook algorithm first. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Then you get the line case and you do F prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, and you get the cross. So the next part is edge placement. So we'll have to place the edges correctly into the original position. So for that there are actually 2 cases.